Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sheenam Bansal. So today we will do myopathies. Let's start with myopathies. Myopathies. Clinical feature of myopathies is weakness of muscles. Hip girdle weakness is the most commonly affected is the hip girdle. Difficulty in getting up from squatting position and from low chair. Upper girdle weakness, difficulty in hanging clothes on a cloth line, taking down items from high shelves. Trunk weakness, difficulty in turning in bed, difficulty in getting up from recumbent position. Neck muscle weakness, inability to control neck while in a vehicle as it rapidly accelerates and decelerates. Ptosis and external ocular movement weakness, facial weakness, inability to close eyes fully, and difficulty in drinking with a straw. At the onset of weakness, myopathies involve the distal musculature first. Hypertrophy of calves, glutes and deltoids, more in Duchenne muscular dystrophy and Becker's muscular dystrophy, less in sarcoglycanopathies and limb girdle muscular dystrophies. Hypertrophy also seen in spinal muscular atrophies. Deep tendon reflexes remain normal for a long time, diminish as the patient loses strength significantly. Facioscapulohumeral dystrophy affect the muscles of face, scapula and shoulder girdle. Limb girdle muscular dystrophies affect adductors and hamstrings of hip girdle. Inherited myopathies have selective distribution of weakness. Metabolic and inflammatory myopathies have non-selective distribution of weakness. Glycogen and lipid storage disorders come under metabolic myopathies. Clinical feature is exercise intolerance. Differential diagnoses include sensory motor disorders. They have distal and symmetrical neuropathy. Pure motor disorders. They have proximal and symmetrical neuropathy. Interior horn cell disorders. They have asymmetrical neuropathy, fasciculations present. They may have upper motor neuron signs. Myoneural junction diseases like myasthenia gravis. Now classification is, it is divided into two types, inherited and acquired. Inherited include muscular dystrophies, myotonias, periodic paralysis, congenital myopathy, mitochondrial disorders. Acquired include infective disease, inflammatory myopathies, toxic and drug related, endocrine and metabolic. Inherited myopathies have selective involvement and slow evolution. Acquired myopathies have generalized weakness, rapid evolution and respond well to treatment. Which myopathy will you find in women wearing burqa? Myopathy due to osteomalacia, that is vitamin D deficiency. They will have painful vedal and brisk reflexes. Why diplopia is not common in myopathies? Cause restriction of ocular movements is symmetrical. So next question is, how will you differentiate hypertrophy due to infestation of muscles by cysticercus and trichinella from hypertrophy in muscular dystrophies? To rule out this, ask the patient to stand on tiptoes. If calves note up in multiple small swellings, then it is due to infestations. If uniform contraction, then it is due to muscular dystrophies. Next question is, why exercise intolerance is seen in metabolic myopathies? Because there is a defect in the energy production of the muscles. With this we end our session. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.